So I'm rebuilding this old wind turbine that was left to rust in the garden, and yeah, so I'm starting to try and rebuild that. I decided the best job was to take all the magnets off, so I just wanted to show you what the discs look like now. So sort of resiny stuff, leftovers. Yeah, this one's got a bend in it from where it was welded. I'm not sure where, but I've got to find out where it is and try and get rid of it. And this monstrosity obviously has to get cleaned up. There's the magnets. 15 off one, 15 off another. They're not in bad shape, they're still usable. Yeah, they're not too bad. Give them a good clean up, and I'll try and give them a lick of resin first. So yeah, that's the sorry, it's quite difficult doing it and filming it at the same time. But yeah, that will go on there. There'll be the two discs, and this will go on. Like so, it'll be about there. That one runs quite true, but the other one is slightly bent, and the bearing's still good. Monstrosity welding from back in there. So yeah, peace out.